Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Ford Ranger tailgate handle. First, identify if your handle is broken or just disconnected. Often, the internal plastic clips that connect the handle to the latch rods can break, causing the handle to feel loose or unresponsive. Open your tailgate and carefully examine the handle's connection points to the latch rods. This initial check helps determine if you need a simple clip replacement or a new handle assembly. Before starting, gather your tools. You'll typically need a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the access panel screws and a flathead screwdriver for prying. Depending on the damage, you might only need new plastic rod clips, which are inexpensive and readily available. If the handle itself is cracked or severely damaged, a complete replacement handle assembly will be necessary. Having these items ready ensures a smooth repair process. To begin the repair, open your tailgate and remove the screws securing the inner access panel. Gently pry off the panel to reveal the internal latch mechanism and the handle's connection points. Locate the rods that connect the handle to the latches on either side. If the plastic clips are broken, carefully remove any remaining pieces. Then, attach the new clips to the rods and snap them securely onto the handle's levers. Test the handle's movement before reassembling. Once the new clips are in place and the handle operates correctly, reattach the inner access panel. Make sure all screws are tightened to prevent rattling. For long-term durability, apply a silicone-based lubricant to the latch mechanisms and moving parts. This helps prevent future sticking and wear, keeping your tailgate handle working smoothly for years to come. Also, check the description for a link to a fantastic book about wealth, along with other helpful deals. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the life of your tailgate components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.